I'm Robert Taylor from Islandwide Express, and today I want to talk to you about a very, very important topic, and that is the myth that customs duty is high for electronic devices. We Jamaicans, we get scared when we think about buying laptop, smartphones or tablets because we think the duties are extremely high. But today, I'm not just going to tell you, I'm going to prove to you that the customs duty is not that high for electronic devices. So, perhaps you want to buy something for your child to use in their online classes. You can now go ahead and get those devices. And we are waiving the shipping charges for all electronic devices that are shipped with our company. Yes, you heard me right. You will pay no shipping charges for any electronic devices that you ship with us. And for you guys who have signed up but have not yet shipped, remember, your first package ships for free. And we deliver 7 days a week. Yes, you will be able to get your items even on a Sunday. So, stay tuned. Let's go check out that video to see how the customs duties are calculated. A few months ago, I was terrified of buying a laptop or anything electronic and shipping it from the US to Jamaica. I was absolutely mortified. Everybody told me that the customs duty for electronic items is 90 to 95%. And I believed it. And because of that fear, I have never shipped anything electronics from the US to Jamaica. Until now. You see, I was going to the Jamaica Customs website. I clicked on this here, Asikuda World. Clicked on that. And I found this duty calculator. I clicked on this link here. I'm going to link this in the video. So I click on this link. So I'm opening it up in a new tab. And it tells me that I must just put the product URL. So I went in. This is the laptop that I wanted. So I went in and I copied the link. Went back to the site. I pasted it here. I didn't put any insurance or shipping. They said to leave that blank if I'm not sure, right? The company, Islandwide Express, said that they would give me free shipping. So this can be 0. And I want one laptop, so I left that there. So I click calculate. And look what happens. What I tell you, see? So this website went onto Amazon, realized that this is the laptop I'm interested in, right? Look here. This is the cost of the laptop. So this is the cost in Jamaican. That is the cost in US right there. Right? So this is the cost in Jamaican right here. Look here. It tells me that the estimated administrative fee, the customs administrative fee, is $2,500. There's an environmental levy of $200. There's a GCT of $6,000, and there's a stamp duty of $100. Look here. This is the total amount of customs duty that I would pay, guys. Look here. This is it. It is $9,243. So when I add that up to the cost of the laptop, I would pay a total of this. You see that, guys? So I am only paying $9,000 for customs duty. Right? Total landing cost is the cost of the laptop plus the customs duty. This is a custom duty. It is not 90 to 95%. It is 20-something%. Let me work that out for you. And all the time I was afraid to buy things. I did not know. And what even make it sweeter now? This company giving me free shipping, so I'm not paying any shipping charges. Let me work out how much percent this is. So 9,000. Let me copy it here, because I don't want to type out all this number here. Paste it right here. And divide it. This is high school maths, guys. Divide it by the cost of the item, and I'm going to multiply it by 100, and we're going to get how much percentage. So that then I multiply. Oh Lord, me I miss out on high school maths. See it? 24%. So the customs duty on the laptop is 24%, guys. Don't make nobody fool you. Buy on a laptop. Join this website. Sign up for this website, Islandwide Express. And don't pay any shipping costs. So look here, you're going to buy this laptop, this nice good Dell laptop. You're going to buy this, and you're only going to pay less than 10 grand in customs duty. Now, Why would I go into a store and buy this laptop for 100,000? Look here. This are the cost for laptop in Jamaica, you know. Look on the price there. 100, 200, 100. No. Me buying this online, and I'm going to ship it with this company, Islandwide Express, and I am only going to pay 49, 50, call it $50,000.